In this video, I will show you how to cancel your Attio subscription. So whether you are already paying or still in your free trial, here's how you can do it. So first, just go and open up your account. Then what you want to go and do is in the top right, click on your profile. Then what you want to go and do is in the bottom left where it says, for me, 14 days left on trial. Then what you want to go and do is in the top left, click on your company name and then click on account settings. Then from here under workspace, go to billing. And here you will see the plan that you are currently using. So for me, I'm on the free trial of the Pro plan. Then to cancel your subscription, just scroll to the bottom of this page and click Cancel Subscription. And then you need to write your workspace name. And you can enter a reason for canceling and then just click on Cancel Subscription. And now it is being cancelled and it should say reactivate. So now you know how to cancel your Attio subscription. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.